In today's fast-evolving social media landscape, managing content is complex. Organizations must cater to different platforms like TikTok and LinkedIn, each with unique formats. This guide provides a clear understanding of how to effectively repurpose content using AI to maximize impact. First, let's address the challenges. Organizations often face issues like channel fragmentation, inconsistent brand voice, ad hoc workflows, and lack of data-driven decision-making. These challenges highlight the need for a structured, efficient workflow. To resolve these issues, we need key prerequisites: a comprehensive content inventory, clear brand guidelines, well-defined metrics, and a connected technology stack. These foundations enable teams to leverage AI-driven tools effectively, thus streamlining content workflows without sacrificing quality. Now let's outline a structured workflow framework. This includes stages like auditing, ideation, transformation, platform adaptation, orchestration, quality control, publishing, and monitoring. Each stage must adhere to a rigorous process with clearly defined roles, responsibilities, and metadata standards. For example, during the ideation stage, AI tools can generate creative variations tailored to specific segments. These ideas go through a review cycle, ensuring alignment with brand standards before entering transformation. Transformation utilizes AI to convert long-form content into specific formats for each social media channel. This includes summarizing articles into tweets or producing engaging video scripts. Maintaining brand voice through automated checks ensures consistency. Next, we move to cross-platform adaptation. This stage involves resizing images, modifying text formats, and generating SEO-friendly tags while adhering to each platform's requirements. Automated scheduling systems then ensure timely publication based on audience availability, optimizing engagement. Quality control integrates human oversight with AI assistance, verifying content against brand guidelines and compliance regulations. This ensures that every asset is appropriate for its respective platform and audience. Finally, monitoring performance is essential. Integration with analytics tools allows real-time feedback, enabling continuous optimization of content strategies. AI-driven insights help refine future content planning based on engagement patterns. In summary, by adopting an AI-driven repurposing workflow, organizations can enhance their content impact, streamline operations, and maintain brand integrity across diverse social media channels. As a next step, assess your current content operations. Identify areas for improvement, implement AI tools to automate, and watch your content engagement flourish with a structured workflow. Ready to maximize your content's impact? Start implementing these strategies today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.